Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Srishti and you're watching Srishti Tips. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to hide your dark circle perfectly. So without much further ado, let's begin this video.
मेकअप करने से पहले हमें एक अच्छा मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाना बहुत ज़रूरी है, सनस्क्रीन लगाना भी ज़रूरी है एंड क्वालिटी ऑफ प्राइमर भी बहुत ज़रूरी है। हमारे फेस को प्रेप करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। दीज थ्री थिंग्स यू हैव टू अप्लाई ऑन योर फेस बिफोर अप्लाइंग योर मेकअप। आई जस्ट वॉश माई फेस वॉश एंड use moisturizer. I'm gonna use Rose Hip face cream moisturizer. This cream is also my favorite moisturizer. This is very lightweight moisturizer. Before you apply any sort of makeup, my skin has really dry and this cream is really good for dry skin.
Some of those products that have used this video, the link to those products will be mentioned in the description box below.
Next thing you have to apply is the good lightweight sun cream. Is by Sunshade UV Photo Stable Sunscreen Lotion and it is really good. It is 30 SPF. You should always stay liberal amount of sunscreen on your palm and apply on your face. Don't forget your ears and lips. After you apply your moisturizer and sunscreen, give your skin approx 5 minutes used to soak up of those products. After that, start the makeup, priming your face. And primer के लिए guys मैं use कर रही हूँ ये NYB का blurry primer. This is really good for people with open pores as well as it gives you nice finish to your skin. So let's start concealing with my under eye first. If you want extreme case of dark under eye, best way to cover them up is to apply a color corrector before applying a concealer. Color corrector palette I'm going to use is this one by Swiss Beauty. यहाँ पे जो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो 8 शेड की पैलेट यूज़ कर रही हूँ। पीछे शेड है यहाँ पे वो यूज़ करना है हमें अंडर आई पे। पिस्ता ग्रीन को यूज़ करना चाहिए जिनकी स्किन पे कोई एक्ने है, रेडनेस है, उनको यूज़ करना चाहिए। बेज वन हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं एज अ कंसीलर एंड आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ जस्ट अ क्रीम हाइलाइटर। आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दिस पीच कलर। ये बिल्कुल फिनिश हो चुका है बट हम इसको लगा लेंगे। आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ माई little with finger. I'm going to apply under my eyes all the way through. Apply evenly and lightly tap. Do not rub and drag it. This color corrector has already hide my dark circle. जो मैंने यूज़ किया है पीच शेड वो मेरी स्किन से बहुत डार्कर है। आई विल नीड टू अप्लाई वेरी थिन लेयर ऑफ कंसीलर। मैं यहाँ पे यूज़ कर रही हूँ NYB का HD स्पॉटलेस लिक्विड कंसीलर इन द शेड मीडियम. This is almost and exactly match of my skin tone.
To make sure that the areas under my eye matches to the rest of my skin tone, this is how I am going to apply my concealer. I made like a little V here. I started from the innermost corner of my eyes because of got slight darkness. I put color corrector there as well and its end here at the outermost corner of my eye. I am just to level up my nose pointed off the V ends. To blend this concealer, I am going to use Beauty Blender. While doing this, make sure to cover your eyelid as well. I am not really drag in the blender. I am lightly tapping it under my eye because if I drag it, it's gonna become sticky. And that's it, your under eye are concealed. Just to make sure that it stay and plays while we applying our foundation. We going to apply a little bit of setting powder on top of this concealer. I am going to use some brushes to do use. So I am going to use the Inside Translucent powder. I am taking a bit of powder on my brush, and in the same tapping motion, I am applying it on the areas that we have concealed. This is how you conceal your dark circle to perfection. For foundation, I am going to use Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation. There are few way to apply foundation. You can apply with finger, that possible best way to apply it, or you can use it stippling brush or a beauty blender. Today I am going to show how to apply foundation with the beauty blender. The first thing that you need to do is soak it in water and then squeeze out as much water as possible from it. The harsh truth is that beauty blender to soak up quite a bit product and you will always using extra product. I was actually trying different techniques lately to figure out the way to blend out foundation perfectly with the beauty blender without using too much of product. This is medium coverage foundation. Now, to set this foundation in place, we always going to take Inside Translucent powder and applying it on my face with brush. You have to apply even layer of setting powder on your face. If you want, you can use any compact as well to do this same. Now we have done my base, so this was all in this video. If you like this video, then definitely subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. So